Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to learn trigonometry table class 10 step by step. Start by memorizing sine, cosine, and tangent for 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees, and practice converting degrees to radians. Use a table grid to record values and color code complementary angles. Work on simple right triangle problems and check values with a calculator only after manual attempts to build strong intuition and accuracy. Start by memorizing sine, cosine, and tangent for 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees, and their complementary relationships. Practice that tan equals sin divided by cos and sec equals 1 over cos for quick recall. Write the full trigonometry table daily from memory and time, each attempt to track improvement. Use flashcards and short quizzes to cement values and reduce reliance on the calculator during exams. Review mistakes and focus on angles that cause errors. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes studying anywhere easier with a glare-free screen and long battery life for marathon review sessions. It fits in a backpack and helps you carry formulas and notes digitally for quick reference between practice problems. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work through right triangle problems and compute ratios using clear diagrams to visualize relationships. Move to unit circle questions and practice reading values for each quadrant while noting sign changes. Time yourself on mixed exercises, combining identity verification and table recall to build speed and accuracy. Repeat weak topics until you can solve them confidently without notes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.